Hi everyone, today we went to a science experiment session for kids. They experienced how thermoplastic toys utils are made. The thermoplastic consists of small off-white biodegradable polyester granules. It can be shaped and reshaped by melting. First, the kids put the small thermoplastics into hot water for melting process. The color changed from white to transparent. Then it dried and molded in a shaped rubber material. After evenly placing the material, the shape was put into cold water and rest for 2 minutes. Then the rubber shaped material removed. Now we got the thermoplastic shape with a transparent color. It can be shaped mildly until it cools down. After few minutes of cooling process, the shape with plastic has been made. The children were really enjoying this experiment. Thank you.